Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these super awesome plug covers that I have here. So we have a toddler that just transitioned into a big boy bed, which means nothing is safe in his room. So we got these little plugs. They're nice because they kind of have this like locking mechanism, which is super nice. Helps to make them a little more secure, which is great. If you can see here, it just clicks in there. And just makes it a little secure. So this has been great for my toddler's room. He cannot pull them out. He hasn't been able to figure them out yet, which is great because he's a smart one. So you need any little puzzle you can get to prevent them from causing destruction. So if you're a toddler parent or baby parent, you know what I mean. And these will be a lifesaver. And that is my point of view.